Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix sound removal on TikTok. So all you have to do is simply go to your TikTok application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application and try to upload a video here. Okay, add some captions and then post. Now, here's the thing, if you encounter problem like if you posted this video and the sound appears as muted, you will see it right here. So you can play the video, but you can't hear any sounds. Okay, so what you're going to do if you encounter that one is go to your settings and privacy, go to account, and then kindly go to switch to personal account, switch to business first. Okay, now once you have changed or switched your personal account to business account, you can now go back and then try to re-upload that video again. And then this time, what you're going to do is to simply add some sound, anything, okay? You can choose any sound here, okay? And then what you're going to do is to edit your sound. And what you're going to do here is to simply increase the volume of your original sound and kindly decrease the volume of your added sound. Again, increase original sound, decrease added sound, and then once done, all you have to do is to simply tap done. Upload it again. You can add some caption. Okay, tap next, and then upload. Now, once done, you can check if the music or they have still muted the music or the sound or not. But most of the cases, after doing this method, you can hear the sound or music of your video. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.